Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jacoby from JacobysJourneys.com. Today we're taking a look at another great product from Travelon. This is the Travelon Compact Hanging Toiletry Kit that you can use when you're traveling and backpacking. So I've been traveling and backpacking abroad for 8 years now, and one of the pieces of gear that I've always been on the lookout for is a really compact toiletry kit. I've gone through several different ones over the years, and I'm always looking for something that's smaller, lighter, high quality, and I believe I found it with this Travelon model. And as you can see, this thing is super compact. It measures 2.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 5 inches. It's made with 100% polyester, which makes it really lightweight, but yet still has a strong, durable finish. So it has a wraparound zipper all the way around. So when you open it up, you have multiple different compartments. Another nice thing, it has a hook, which most toiletry kits nowadays do have. Moving down, you've got a little zippered compartment, so this is great for smaller items. And the next part down, I usually keep my toothpaste and toothbrush, small little accessories inside here. And in the bottom, there's another zippered compartment, and this works great to store a little bit larger items, maybe deodorant, some other bottles, or just to keep your things organized. So I've got several questions about stuff I actually use, so I'm going to show it here really quick. So in this top compartment, first item is the Travelon laundry soap sheets. These are a really great product, and they actually have shaving sheets, body sheets, shampoo, so these are great. I'll bring some Q-tips and some fingernail clippers. And then a refillable cologne and perfume bottle. These are an awesome little product that come in multiple colors. They are also refillable and reusable and can spray really well. Next we have the Gum brand travel toothbrush. A couple other things here, just a small toothpaste and a cup. This is the Hydra Pack Speed Cup. These work great. Has a suction cup to put on the mirror. Next, a little bottle of shampoo. Sometimes I'll bring, not always. Then some stuff to clean my face. This is the Matador Flat Pack Bottle. This is an awesome product, super lightweight. It's a refillable bottle that's soft, that you can basically put anything you need inside of it. It's rollable, super compact. Next, some eye drops, and usually some hair wax. The last compartment, I'll keep one of these little moisture absorbers just to keep moisture out of the bag. Next is the Matador Soap Bar Case. This is an awesome way to bring a bar of soap, super compact, just like the other one. And I've got some Neutrogena Hydra Boost. This has some sunscreen. Next is the Philips Norelco One Blade Shaver Razor. I've been using this for years, and this is the best shaver I've ever seen. You can use it to shave off your entire beard. You could use it to just clean up, trim your beard, or fine detail any hairs you need to. And then lastly, a stick of Old Spice Swagger deodorant. Sometimes I'll bring these Human Gear Go Tubes, but they're just a little bit bigger than the Matador bags. And then lastly, a brush. Sometimes I'll bring it. And one of the reasons why I chose this model and why I like this so much and recommend it is because it's just so lightweight, and I like the materials itself. You know, a lot of the different styles, they use a heavier fabric or they add extra little things that you don't really need in the toiletry bag. So this is great because it's simplistic, lightweight, and it can take everything that I need to carry when I'm traveling. So thanks for checking out my review of the Travelon Toiletry Kit, and I'll leave a link in the description box down below to this. And Travelon has a number of great travel products, so I really recommend checking them out. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't. I upload new adventure travel videos and backpacking gear reviews every week. And remember, life's about the journey, not just the destination.